Hey everyone! Today, we're looking at Prime Lab's Prime Test Pro, a testosterone support supplement. Let's break down if this is actually good or just another scam. Prime Test Pro is formulated with herbal extracts like fenugreek, Tongkat and ginseng, which are marketed to naturally boost testosterone, increase energy, and improve performance. During our trial, we felt more energized during workouts, less fatigue throughout the day, and a modest boost in overall mood and drive. However, these weren't life changing effects, and they definitely didn't happen instantly. Supplements like these are about steady, subtle shifts and not sudden transformations. The pros of Prime Test Pro are that it uses natural ingredients, it's easy to add into a routine, and it can provide a noticeable but modest lift in energy and vitality. The cons are that results vary greatly depending on age, lifestyle, and diet. It also doesn't replace medical solutions for low testosterone and might disappoint if you expect dramatic changes. Overall, Prime Lab's Prime Test Pro is not a scam. It's a legit herbal booster with some benefits. Just don't expect it to perform miracles. If you pair it with proper training, nutrition, and rest, it can provide a helpful edge. This has been How to Nerdy Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam Free.